and welcome to Debbie Loves Designing. Well, I made this lovely pendant here and I made a pair of matching earrings. See, these lovely pair of earrings, and I also made a small one. And what I made them out of are these buttons. I made them out of these buttons here. Yeah, these are buttons. They're small buttons, but I didn't really need them for anything, especially these ones. So I thought I'll make them into a pendant and a pair of earrings. And I think they've come out really well. So I've made this earring. I'm going to make another earring of these. I think this is lovely and dangly. For the pendant, you're going to need 3 large jump rings and 1 smaller one to attach the necklace on. But for the earring, you're just going to need 3 of the large jump rings. Equipment you're going to need is the usual equipment that I always use. Either chain nose or flat nose pliers. You're going to need round nose pliers. And I only got my cutters because I use them to make my jump rings. So I made the jump rings out of 22 gauge wire. I made the jump rings and I cut them with this cutter. So I don't know, I'm going to need that now. So it's so easy to make. So I'm going to make another earring. So you just pick up the button and then you pick up 2 of the larger jump rings. So we're just going to need 2 at the moment. So I'm just going to pick those up. Already opened it across, and then all I have to do is thread it onto the hole of the button. Open it quite wide and then close it like so. Just bring it together. Sometimes I like to bring it together and then just snap it so it's together like that. And then pick up the other jump ring and do the same thing by just opening it across. Open it quite large actually. And then thread it on the same way as you thread on the other one. And then give it a close. I think I'll pick up my chain nose pliers. And then just bring it together. Then we're going to hook it at the top of the 2 rings like this and then close it together. So it should look like this. Then you're going to need your earring hook. I'm not sure did I mention that you need an earring hook? Well, you need 1 for each earring. So I forgot to mention that. I think I mentioned, not sure. Anyway, I'm going to open it with my round nose pliers, and then I'm going to just hook on the earring. Like that. And then use my flat nose or chain nose pliers just to close it in. So just bring it in together like that. Just bring it right in. Like that. Just going to bring it in a bit further in until it's completely closed. So there you've got a cute dangly earring. So with a pendant it's the same way, but the only difference is that you need to add a smaller jump ring at the top. So add that at the top and then just close it in. Bring these two and close it in like that. I just look my cat making noise. So just bring them both in like that. So just bring it in together to close the gap. Right, and then when you've closed the gap, all we're going to do is thread the necklace through the small jump ring. I've got this necklace here, ready made. I just have to put on the lobster clasp and the other jump ring on the other side. So we're just going to put on the lobster clasp, one here. Now all we have to do is open the jump ring. Just open it across like that. And then thread it on to the end of the necklace. A bit wide. And just thread it on. And just thread it on like that. And then close it together. Closing the gap. Then I'm going to get another jump ring and put it onto the other side of the chain. Just open it and put it on the other side. Like that. Just put it on the other side and then just close it. Bring it together and close it. Get my flat nose pliers just to press it together. Together like that. Sometimes I like to just overlap it and then bring it together and give it a good close so that it's nice and secure. There, that's nice and secure. And then just do it up when you wear it. Just close it like that. Right, so I thought I'd show it to you on black because when it's on pink it's not giving it any justice. So thank you for taking some time out to watch my channel. Any comments or questions, please pop them down below. I try and make a video every week, and please share to anybody else that wants to watch my channel, make some jewellery or just watch. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'll be very grateful. And I'll put my social media links down below, so if you want to watch those. Okay, thanks. Bye for now.